Did you know that 1 in 3 young people have been exposed to harmful online content? And among the 52,000 child suicides globally each year, up to 24% have been linked to exposure to unsafe digital environments. This isn't just a statistic, it's lives. But there's hope. Together we can make the internet safer, starting today. The internet connects us, entertains us, and helps us achieve more than ever before. But it also creates serious risks: scams, harmful content, online predators, and now advanced AI tools being used to manipulate and harm. The truth, most people don't realize how dangerous the digital world has become. But what if we could spot the dangers, take action, and protect yourself and those you love? That's exactly why I've designed this free course for you. Hi, I'm Dale Allen, host of The Safetyverse and the pioneer of the 1 Billion People Protected campaign. For over 25 years, I've worked with organizations of all sizes, helping them tackle the world's toughest safety challenges. As the CEO of Sevron Safety Solutions, I've helped develop tools and frameworks used by thousands of businesses globally to tackle the most challenging safety issues. But this isn't just about tools or policies, it's about empowering people with the knowledge they need to make real change. That's why I'm bringing the world's leading safety authorities together in one place, the Safetyverse. Our mission is to make safety knowledge accessible to everyone for free, because I believe the highest calling of leadership is the empowerment of others. So, when you know to trust, you can trust what they know. Now back to the course. Let's talk about staying safe online. This isn't just about avoiding scams, it's about protecting your mental health, vulnerable children and adults, personal data, and safety in a digital world. In this free course, we'll walk through the SHIELD framework, which tackles the biggest online dangers, and to teach you the SAFE framework, a simple tool to help you spot, act, fix, and engage against those risks. Whether you're a parent, a teacher, or just someone who wants to stay safe, this course is for you. At the heart of this course is the SHIELD framework, 6 critical areas that cover the biggest online risks you need to know. Each letter of SHIELD represents a specific focus. S for self-harm, H for harassment, I for information or misinformation, E for exploitation, L for lure, D for danger. This isn't just about awareness, it's about giving you the tools to recognize these risks, take action, and make the digital world safer. Let's get started, starting with the first and one of the most critical areas: self-harm. Self-harm content online has been linked to 1 in 3 child suicides. Platforms can push harmful videos, dangerous challenges, and toxic forums that encourage self-harm. Even AI tools can unintentionally lead vulnerable people toward harm. In this section, I'll teach you to spot harmful content early, understand the risks, and protect yourself and others from being exposed to it. Next is harassment. Over 40% of internet users have experienced online harassment. This includes cyberbullying, targeted abuse, and automated AI-driven attacks. Women, minorities, and vulnerable communities are at even higher risk. I'll show you how to recognize harassment, block harmful content, and report abuse effectively to stop it in its tracks. Next is information or misinformation. Did you know that in 2023, identity theft costs victims over $43 billion in the US and $1.2 billion in the UK? Phishing scams, AI-generated deepfakes, and impersonation are being used to steal personal data and money. Here I'll teach you to secure your information, recognize scams, and protect yourself against AI-driven fraud. Then it's exploitation. Exploitation is one of the darkest risks online. Predators, scammers, and harmful communities manipulate vulnerable users, from children to adults. Worse still, advanced AI tools are being misused to manipulate people's trust for dangerous outcomes. In this section, I'll help you identify exploitation tactics and to take action to protect yourself and others. Next is law. Over 50% of adults and teens experience digital addiction, often without realizing it. Excessive screen time, emotionally charged content, and misinformation harm mental well-being, leaving users stressed, anxious, and isolated. I'll give you simple strategies to balance your digital life, manage your time online, and stay mentally healthy. D, danger. And finally, in the SHIELD framework, it's danger. Illegal content, extremist propaganda, and violent material exist online, often amplified unintentionally by AI ranking systems. Exposure to this content can cause psychological harm or radicalize vulnerable users. I'll teach you how to navigate these dangers safely, report harmful content, and avoid unsafe online spaces. Throughout this course, you'll use the S.A.F.E framework, a simple 4-step plan to handle online risks. Spot the risks, recognize harmful content, scams, and manipulation. Act to stay protected, block, report, and avoid unsafe situations. Fix vulnerabilities, strengthen privacy settings and digital habits. Engage trusted tools. Use verified platforms, tools, and strategies. By combining Shield and S.A.F.E, you'll have everything you need to protect yourself and your loved ones online. And there we have it, the Shield framework. It's a clear step-by-step guide to understanding the biggest online dangers and staying safe from them. What I've shared here is just a quick overview. In the Staying Safe Online Safety course, I'll go deeper into each of these risks, giving you practical strategies, tips, and tools you can use immediately. And the best part, this course is completely free. So if you're ready to become a champion of online safety today, click the link below to join the course. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, colleagues, and peers. Together, we can spread awareness and create real change in our world. Take that first step today, start the course, earn your certificate, and join the mission to make being online a safer place to be. After the course, come back here and let me know what you've discovered in the comments. I'm always looking to learn more, do more, and be better. In the Safetyverse, it's one small step for you and one giant leap for safety kind. Let's do this. Go be a real hero, you safety champion, you. Woo! Changing lives one course at a time. What a life.